What's going on, everyone, and welcome back. Today we're in Jeromesville, Ohio, and we're getting ready to check out a beautiful two-story home. So let me get you out front and I'll tell you all about it. Today we're checking out Wayne Homes Charleston 2. This is a beautiful two-story home sitting inside of approximately 2,714 square feet, featuring 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage. I love this little wraparound porch and the nice big columns. Think that looks really good. In terms of the price, this home starts at approximately $287,000. And with that, let's get inside. All right, let's get into it. Now, I haven't gone too much further than the kitchen and that little fireplace out back, so pretty excited to see what all is in this one. But this is the view when you do a first walk in this home, and I'll turn you around. We're in an open to above foyer right now. Let's see, I'm gonna have to get a good angle. Probably about to do something I haven't done before. We're gonna get down here real low so you can kind of check it out. You got that chandelier and the banister, but this is your front door. And then to the left, as we walk in, of course, you've got this flex room, kind of set up like a parlor right now. It's got these 2 big old columns on either side. Now, this could be a number of things. You could turn this into an office if you wanted to. It sits right up towards the front of the house with views onto that big old wraparound porch, which looks really, really good. And that's one of the big things as we're kind of walking through all the homes that we walk through. Well, for the most part. I can't say all of them, but I mean, for decor and what you end up doing with the room, of course, that's always up to you. But for the most part, a lot of the homes we've been touring are custom, so you can change some things and turn it into your own. But as we continue to work our way down the foyer, you've got a set of stairs going up to the 2nd floor. You've got a set of stairs going down to the basement. And then over here to the left-hand side, we'll go this way. And we'll get upstairs. But we're gonna stick on this level first. But you do have a coat closet, which is almost here at the end of the foyer. And then next to that, you have a powder room. And this powder room, this is a spacious powder room. Look at a lot of room back here. You can stretch out. It's got a little pedestal vanity, some nice lights, pretty kind of color. It's like a Ninja Turtle green color, almost a pastel green, maybe. Maybe not really a pastel, but you know what I mean. One of those kind of faded green colors. Then all the way at the end of the foyer, it opens up into all of your common spaces. So you've got the living room, which sits here, and all of this sits towards the back of the house. You got that big old stone surround fireplace. Looks really good. You got the stone hearth, this nice big thick wood mantle. And all of this gives you views back into the dining room and the kitchen area. So the dining room separates the kitchen and the living room. It's got these really nice light fixtures. I like these a lot. I like them with the wood beam. Like if you can find them with the wood beam or whatever, I think that would look super cool. But plenty of space for a nice big table. And then we'll go ahead and go outside just off of the dining room. Super convenient to the kitchen as well. You've got this nice back patio with the columns again. This one has this one little special feature, which is this outdoor fireplace. And I love that. I can't get enough of an outdoor fireplace. Kind of one of those dream things I want to have one day. Just got to figure out where to put it. It's got some little sconces back here as well. And then coming back inside, you've got this really big kitchen area. You've got a matching pendant light coming down over the top of your island that matches this one right here over the dining room table. And this island, it's got a little little flair to it. It's got some fancy legs over here. Got an outlet on this side. And on this side, you've got all the cabinets and drawers. Not soft close. Ooh, I was like, I don't know, what is that? I don't even know what this is for. But it's got it. And then on the back side, we've got a single cabinet right here. Plenty of shelving. And none of the cabinets here in the kitchen go quite all the way up to the ceiling, so you can do a little bit of decorating if you wanted to. But you have tons of counter space. I mean, just check out all this counter space. And then, of course, the sink sitting just below the window, looking out into your beautiful backyard. You got two little crank out windows over here. Then there's the dishwasher, a Lazy Susan. Some of these uppers too, not just a corner. I always open these hoping that, ooh, are these soft close too or no? No. I always open up the top corner ones thinking that there's gonna be like a little spice rack up there, one of those little Lazy Susan spice racks. But you've got the gas range with your range hood, and this does look like a spice rack. Oh yeah. Struck some gold on this one. And you've got a little pan cabinet back there too. Then in the corner, got a nice little pantry. And that sits in between the stove or the range area and the oven / microwave. Then you've got your stainless refrigerator. Then just off of that, you got this nice little barn door that opens up into the laundry room. You knew it the same time I did. But it's like / mudroom. So you got a big old bench right here, some hooks to hang up all your coats and hats and stuff. Then you've got another little wash basin, more counter space, so plenty of folding room. You've got stackable washer and dryer. Some more cabinets, and then again, not quite all the way up to the ceiling. And then through this door, let's see, I don't know if this is a finished garage or not. Not really, but kind of. Oh, it does have the doors off to the side. Get down in here, let's see what we can scope out. Any attic access? I guess not, because there's I guess it'd be the second floor up above us. But you got a good bit of room in there. All right, so from here, we're going to work our way up to the second floor, check out all the bedrooms, because we have yet to see a bedroom. And while we're doing that, just keep in mind, if you do like this home or any of the homes that we tour across the country, you can go over to timothyplivingston.com by clicking that link right there at the top of the description, where you can search not only this floor plan, but all the floor plans and filter them down based off of number of bedrooms, square footage, price, all that different fun stuff to find that perfect dream home for you. And then you can reach out to the builder and get it underway. But here we are at the top of the stairs. You've got the opening down into the foyer area. And then you've got another little sitting room up here. Turn this into a game room. Maybe not, it's a little close to the master bedroom. Right now it looks like it's set up as some homework stations. Little media area. But all sitting up towards the front of the house. And I'm gonna do this a little backwards, y'all don't get mad at me. Just off of that, oh my goodness, look at how big this room is. Massive. But this is the master bedroom. I mean, you could fit several beds in here. A whole living room. Ginormous. And then you got, I don't know if I haven't pointed it out. It's got, and it might not be throughout the whole home, but you do got some nice crown molding running throughout the bedroom. And then just off of that, you come into the ensuite, and sweet it is. You've got this nice double vanity, plenty of cabinets and drawers. Look how cool these little pools are right here too. Those things look nice, a little fancy. Then you've got this big old soaking tub with a little swirly doohickey, little spa tub, sitting just below some more crank out windows. And then behind that, you've got this walk-in shower. It's got a little bit of a threshold, but not too bad. Looks pretty manageable. You got the removable shower head, pretty big and wide shower head, a little footrest back there. And then back behind us, you got a partition wall with the toilet. And then into this great big walk-in closet. So you got some little nook and crannies everywhere. Kind of wraps around. And then you've got a little access panel into the attic here as well. That's nice. Man, I wasn't expecting the bedroom to be so big. I'd get down with that. It's spacious. All right, and then on the opposite side, you have the 3 secondary bedrooms. So this one sits on the side of the house, just kind of right in front of the stairwell. All the little dinosaurs. We just had Rory's birthday yesterday, and he's huge into dinosaurs right now, monster trucks, you know, all the things, Bubbles. So his birthday party, which was just 4 of us, me, him, Jen, and Cody came down, and Jen made this really good cake. Rory loves bananas, as most kids I think do, but she made like a everything he loves cake. So it was banana, cream cheese icing, delicious. But on top of it, she did an Oreo cookie road with some monster trucks on top of that, and then it had, he loves fish too. Of course, he loves Finding Nemo. That's a big thing. So she found a couple little fish she made a little pond to go next to the monster truck road, and then it had a dinosaur candle. So it was fun. The big 2, or the terrible 2, depending on how you look at it. His favorite word right now is no. But anyway, back to the house as we continue working through all these secondary bedrooms. These 2, the one we just came out of, and this one right here, all sit towards the back of the house. Decent size. Ooh, this one's all Christmassy. That's fun. And then into its closet. It would be like my mom's favorite room. Absolutely loves Christmas. And then at the end of the hall, you've got the second full bathroom. So you got a single vanity. You got some linen cabinets. They got the same pulls on them that the master bedroom had. And the toilet and the tub. Got a nice big shower head in here too. Then from here, we still got a basement to get to. So let's jet downstairs and work our way down into this basement. Ooh, it just keeps wrapping. Just keep wrapping, just keep wrapping. All right, what all do we have? So we got a little wet bar, got the raised island, some nice little pennant lights hanging down over the top of it. Got the beverage refrigerator, a nice sink. Little sitting area. And then on the far side, you've got plenty more room. Set it up like a little movie theater room if you want to. You got a little storage area right here below the stairs. Looks like it just kind of wraps around. And we've been seeing some cool things come out of these little storage areas. So you can turn this into like a little kid's play fort or something. Just put like a little, a little fake wall right here that they can go into and turn it into like their little castle or something. Got a little closet around the corner. All about, I guess we are in Ohio. Another half bath. Now this basement right here can be finished or unfinished. So I guess that would bring it to 2 half baths, which I think at the beginning I only said 1. But then you come into the unfinished space, so you got your electric panel, you've got sump pump, and then you have a water heater and furnace. All right, let me know what you think about this home down in the comments. If you want any more information on this model or Wayne Homes, again, you can click that link right there at the top of the description, or you can go over to timothyplivingston.com where you can search this floor plan as well as all the floor plans that we've toured across the country. You can filter them down based off of number of bedrooms, square footage, price, location, style, anything that you can think of. You can filter it, and if it's not there, let us know about it and we'll add the filter. And of course, there'll also be a link to the builder so you can reach out to them if you did find that perfect home for you. But with that, I hope you enjoyed the tour. As always, my name is Timothy, and I look forward to seeing your beautiful face in the next one.